Alrighty, we are back and we are going to make some freaking cornbread. If you guys didn't see yesterday's video, I made ChatGPT's version of cornbread. Today, I'm going to do exactly as the back of the bag says. The only difference, I'm going to do what everyone else said and put lard in the pan instead of butter, and then I'm going to butter the top once it's done. Now, if you do cornbread a different way, leave it in the comment section and let me know, and I will give it a try. I've got 2 tablespoons of sugar that I'm going to end up doing, so I'm going to do the same recipe but with only 2 tablespoons next, and then I have a full-blown recipe to try. And then someone else also mentioned to do a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise to make it moist, so we're going to give that a try too. All right, first things first, the oven is getting preheated to 425. We have some shortening or lard or whatever you want to call it. We're going to rub it all over this freaking pan. Now, they didn't say how much to use, so I'm just going to put it everywhere. I know a couple of you guys said to use this, so we'll see. If you saw the video yesterday, there was basically no stick in this pan anyways with the butter, and I didn't see any burn marks, but apparently this will help it not burn. But no butter's going in today, just fat. Just how I like it. Okay, now that this is done, it is going to go into the oven to get nice and hot. Okay, again, this recipe is right off of the bag. So 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and it calls for 4 teaspoons. I can't find the teaspoon, so we're going to go with a heavy tablespoon of baking powder. Don't forget your salt. Now we're going to mix all the dry ingredients up. Onto the moist ingredients, 1 cup of milk. Oh yeah, and that milk is the red cap. You got to use whole milk or else you're doing it wrong. 1 egg. Hope I don't get any shells in there. Oh, I think I got one in there. That's my fault. Don't worry. I'll get you out. Whoops. And a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil? I don't know about this one. Okay, now we're going to mix all the wet ingredients together. It says for about 1 minute or until smooth. I feel like those two things are very different. Okay, it's all mixed up. I've got a forearm pump now because how thick this batter is. But I'm just waiting for the skillet to preheat and then we'll throw it in the oven. All right, so that pan's been sitting in the oven for probably about 5 minutes after it's been done preheating. Let's pull it out and hopefully it's nice and hot. It seems nice and hot. Boy, let me tell you. It burnt through my rag. It's warm. Boy, this stuff is thick. I don't know, man. This stuff just feels like it's going to be so dry. There it is. Back into the oven for 20 to 23 minutes is what it calls for. It is all finished up. We are going to put some butter on top. This is unsalted butter, and I'm imagining that it goes on right away, like when it's super, super hot. Got it buttered up pretty good, about 1/4 stick of butter on there. I'm going to let it cool, and then we'll take her out of the pan, cut it up while it's hot still, and see how it tastes. All right, it's been sitting, it's cooled down. I have not scraped the sides or anything. It looks good from here. I'm going to flip it and let's see if the crust looks good. It's soft, kind of like the other one. The sides are soft too. Obviously, no stick, just like the last one. I'm going to flip it back over here. Ooh, it's falling apart a little bit. Okay. Alyssa's going to be mad. She's not here. Ooh. Ooh. This one. Ooh. This one might be a little softer than yesterday's. Ooh. Look, I don't know how well. Ooh, look at that steam. You see that steam? All right, let's try it. I would think on a scale of yesterday's to today's, this one is better because it's more moist. Yesterday's had more flavor. This one is more moist. You should try that if you don't try it. If you have any ideas on what I should try next, leave it in the comment section, and I will try your crazy, wacky cornbread ideas.